What's going on, guys? We have the Private Label Manufacturing catch can for the C63 AMG. It's their sticker on there, phone number if you want to call them. I already unboxed it. Video didn't work for some reason, so we're just going to briefly talk about what I have, first impressions, and the quality of the product. It's a catch can, very simple. You have an in, you have an out port, solid metal, aluminum by the looks of it. This is where your bracket, it's where you're going to connect it in your car. Just unscrewing it now. Quite simple. Empty, catches the oil blow by so that it doesn't go into your intake manifold. Looks like this is a baffle here. Yeah, it's definitely a baffle in here, which I don't know if this is supposed to go inside of the baffle. Kind of weird that they included this. I still don't know what this is for. It was in the box that the can was in. We also have some tape, which I could use. I might use some like Blue Monster, like plumbing type tape, or sorry, type goo. For these fittings. I just have them in here hand tight right now, but it's not a bad idea to put some like sealer or silicone type thing, not silicone, something that won't like harden or over time, but to just make sure there's no vacuum leaks. I put O-rings on these because it comes with O-rings in the bag. These are all the other size fittings, but these two are the ones that you want for this Black Mamba size tube here. It's a 5/8 in diameter, big high quality black tube. Comes with these hose clamps for the black tube. The only thing is, well, first I'll just mention that there's a dipstick for the catch can, which is actually really nice. I have one for my truck. I have a catch can on my truck, which was like 150 bucks. This was 170. This is honestly better quality than the one on my truck. What I can't figure out is why would somebody pay $600 for a catch can for 63 Motorsports? Same style. It's not like it's a multi-can setup or something crazy like that. Same style catch can, $600+ from 63 Motorsports. You guys, you're paying for the name. It's such a small company. It takes them a lot more resources to make the can, but they're making a killing on you. Like these are very simple concept devices. Like they're not complicated. It's not rocket science. There's no reason you should be paying that much for a catch can. It's just, I don't get it. But if you have a reason that you think 63 Motorsports can is better than any other can, let me know why. I'd love to hear it. I probably will disagree with you. But I also got this little hose that I have no idea what this hose is for. I don't know. And I got a crankcase breather that has a soft rubber fitting on the end. If anybody knows where this would go on the C63 AMG, please let me know. Like, this doesn't fit inside properly. I mean, I guess it kind of does. It comes with a hose clamp, so I assume it's supposed to be something that goes over this. And then you would hose clamp it to the breather valve, but I don't know where that goes. If anybody knows, let me know. I don't really plan on using it because I'm not sure why it's here, but comes with these nice fittings. You'll see these a lot on other YouTube videos. Everybody orders the Private Label Manufacturing fittings for their catch cans typically. I'll briefly explain to you how they go. This goes onto this screws onto the PCV, I believe, and then this screws onto that so that you have a directional. You can put it however you want it, and then this one goes into the back of the intake manifold, and this goes on here so that you can directionally change that as well. and then you hook your hoses up to it, and then you hook them up to these fittings. I'm gonna make a video going over all that, the install. I'm not gonna like record the entire install, but I will record a video where, you know, if I run into an issue or something goes really smoothly, goes really well, I'm gonna like stop, make some recordings, and just put together a video for the install of the catch can. I have the intake manifold is on its way now from London, or England, sorry. So that's coming in the mail. Big shout out to R&R Services for that. You can look him up. He's legit guy from the United Kingdom who has a passion for these, the M156 will rebuild an intake manifold. It's a little bit pricey, but it's cheaper than doing a whole new manifold. I can tell you that right now. So I don't know if he's going to change his pricing or if he cut me like a deal or anything. So I'm not going to like throw out a number right here on camera, but it is a pretty expensive thing to get done, and I do recommend it. He does a really good job. So if you want to see any pictures of the intake manifold, you can check out my Instagram, which is at M156_507. That's my Instagram handle, and there will definitely be some pictures of the manifold on there. Anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions. Let me know what you guys think of the quality of this can so far. I think it's going to do very well on the car, no issues, and I look forward to putting it on and having the catch can. So stay tuned for the new videos that'll come out with the intake manifold and the installation of this. I also have to extract a bolt from the engine block where the manifold, somebody broke it off. I gotta extract that. So I got some work I gotta do before the manifold gets here in a few days. Appreciate you guys watching. See you in the next video.